Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Supreme Ventures is looking to digitize its entire business after suffering a significant financial blow in the second quarter of the year. Now, Chairman Gary Peart made the disclosure in an interview with the Financial Week. Supreme Ventures is still in recovery mode following losses incurred during the second quarter of the year, a consequence of tightened curfew hours and strict stay-at-home orders implemented between April and June. Chairman Gary Peart explained the impact on SVL's business.
We basically have 8 product lines or business lines, and at one point during the second quarter, we had closed about 6 of them. Yeah. And of the other 2 that were operational, they were hit, I would say, about 20 to 30%.
The company now looking to recoup those losses with a digitization strategy to be fully implemented by year end.
By the end of December, we want all of our products to be able to be delivered digitally. And I think that strategy will allow us to recoup a lot of the losses. But let's see.
Mr. Peart says despite the challenges, SVL is still in acquisition mode. He says the company intends to use the digital space to enter other markets which would have otherwise been impenetrable.
We're looking to roll out in Guyana again. After coming through COVID and the election in Guyana. We are always in active talks with all of the businesses in our group. And at any point in time, something will turn up. As you know, last year we bought 51% of Post to Post. And in January, we concluded the purchase of another 51% of another business. And as I said, there's significant opportunities out there for us across the wide spectrum of gaming. And don't be surprised, there might be another one around the corner.
The company has indicated that the digital drive is expected to complement its brick-and-mortar business and not to make its traditional operations obsolete. So currency trading now, the Jamaican dollar continued its week-long appreciation today. Now at the end of the day, the US dollar was trading for $143.86. The Canadian dollar closed at $110.74. The pound sterling is now going for $187.82, while the euro is selling for $175.32. The JC index gained 909 points today, and the junior market index is up 18 points. Among the winners were JMMB Group 7.50%, Portland JSX, Berger Paints, Derrimon Trading, and Access Financial Services. Now on the losing side were Derrimon Trading 2021 preference shares, AMG Packaging and Paper, Salada Foods, Supreme Ventures, and Caribbean Cream. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.